kwa sababu mimi nimeajiriwa na hao wananchi.
Tukitigana ripoti ya president ni atiriri gwataniro ya arutani ya KNUT itanyitwo gutabania ithurano ciayo tariki 3 mweri wa kana mwaka uyu. Mwandĩki mũnene wa KNUT niwe Collins Oyu roigite ithurano ciao citigotongorio ona kana cigatongorio ni gatiba yao. Akiaria mwena wa Mombasa thutha wa gutabania giikaro na utongoria wa KNUT mwena wa Gĩcũa-inĩ, Oyu igite gatiba yao nditikiritie mundu o wothe kuhuranira giturwa o giothe gwataniro ino. Hari kiria kionanitie akirongoreria uri wa mwandĩki mũnene wa KNUT niwe Wilson Sosion. Oyo augite gatiba ndimwitikiritie kurugama, akiuga KNUT ti kiama gia kiuteti. Sosion anirire kuhuranira giturwa kia mwandĩki mũnene wa KNUT ithurano-inĩ ciukite cia mweri wa 4.
Elections of Kenya National Union of Teachers is driven by regional declarations. We were in Eastern region, we were in Central region, we went to Nairobi region, then we went to Rift Valley region, we were in Western region and Nyanza region. Finally today, we are in Coast region. What's happened in the other regions that I've counted is the same thing that has happened here today. Because the leadership of KNUT, when it comes to elections, is give and take. What does this region give us in exchange of what the other region gives? Nobody shall think that he owns this union. Nobody owns the union. Mimi kama nitaenda. Kama mwingine alienda na aende. That is the position. Nothing else. Nothing else, ladies and gentlemen. Everything shall go by what is in law, and every other thing shall also go by what is in the KNUT constitution. Nothing more, nothing less. You cannot recycle yourself and say you are able to vie if you are not allowed by the constitution. That constitution is actually shall be adhered to the letter. Out of what I have said, that is where we all peg our eligibility to vie. Nothing more. And if anything, if you are not a member, please talk from outside the fence. Don't talk from inside the company.
Na tugitigana icio ciegie kiama kia KNUT kana kiama kia arimu kia KNUT.